Welcome to Friend for the Artists. New collection of free wildflower art reference for subscribers. Nature. Artists, you are free to capture any of the images in this video. For reference, that's right, copyright free. Make images from any 4K screen capture. No restrictions except the video can't be copied. We do ask you to be a subscriber to help us out. It will let us know these images are appreciated. Think of it this way. This service makes us your field researcher for why owe you a reference photos.
The picture of the Nikon D3S camera that shows up is not for duplication. Dean would like you to take advantage of this offer. Please share what you have done here or make a YouTube video so we can add it to our playlist and write a mention to your channel in this description. These photos were taken with a Nikon D3S. It used to be a $5,500 camera. You can find them on eBay, used, for less than $1,000. The lens was a 70 to 300 mm zoom lens. The lens is not a specialty lens. Imagine a high-end lens on this camera. Already colors are spectacular. These images serve as a review for the Nikon D3S. The colors are astounding and the low-light capabilities are beyond belief. These images were straight out of camera. The exposure was tweaked on a few.
The Nikon D3S has been highly praised in various reviews. Here are some key points. It was known for its unparalleled image quality at high ISO settings. 1. Photographers could shoot at ISO settings up to 6,400 without a significant penalty in noise and in a pinch. Even go up to ISO 25,600 equivalent. Unheard of at the time. The Nikon D3S was Nikon's first DSLR with an FX full-frame CMOS sensor. This versatility, coupled with the very capable AF system and rugged weatherproof build, did much to reverse Nikon's declining fortunes in the professional DSLR market.
It has received numerous awards, including Best Product and Best Camera from various reputable organizations and websites. Its image quality, high ISO, performance, superb autofocus, fast speed, and rich features make it a phenomenal camera. However, due to its high price tag, bulky body, and heavy weight, it might not be suitable for everyone.
The Nikon D3 was recognized by NASA, used officially and recognized by NASA.
Dean says these legendary cameras he will never sell are the Nikon D3S, the Nikon D4, the Nikon D7100, the Nikon D300, and the Nikon D200. He also has all their legendary lenses. This review is about a camera that was made in 2013. It still trounces the competition to this day.
The results are here with these images. Please subscribe to this channel. We will have more reference images with the other Nikon cameras and even better lenses. Not that this lens isn't already very good. Click the bell. Comment, and if you appreciate our intention, like us.